are you gonna do with it? No.
I don't know. I just said.
Dana's scared because my mom went outside and got a snowball.
Nigga. That's like -10 degrees worth.
And she's threatening.
Freezing.
She's threatening to throw it at him.
Yeah, I'm petrified.
She's been doing this for about like 30 minutes now.
Threatening you with a fucking
She said 39
plus.
I'm sorry, I love you.
39-plus-year-old woman is threatening you with a snowball, and you're sitting there cowering underneath your hoodie and a blanket. Hell yeah!
That's a snowball.
And a pillow.
Under this, I have.
Talk about wuss.
Yes, wuss. Yes, I am petrified.
Nikki, can we close out the water?
Completely petrified. If there's anything else,
I'm recording.
But cold is ridiculous. Stop.
Okay, well, I'm bringing the laptop with me.
Stop pointing that at me. Stop it, Ashley.
Dana's a chicken shit. Excuse me, Mom.
I'm a cancer.
I don't care what you are. You're still a chicken shit.
We don't play with this cold. It's scary.
Then you shouldn't live here in Virginia.
Virginia's not even